But I also heard that he issued a suspension against General Mao. Assuming for the sake of argument that it is a valid suspension and the reason is a preventive suspension para hindi magulo yung investigation, number one, there is a duty to inform us so that we can replace, so that we can make sure na safe ang Senado. Remember, the impeachment is going to start on Monday. So how can we secure and make sure matuloy at hindi na naman kami guluhin tapos kami na naman ang pagbibintangan? Number two, bakit po, and I like to honor and express, diba, that in my dealings with the Ombudsman, Boying Remulla, it has always been with respect. We many times disagree, but he, to me, had an open mind. We disagree in legal, but he listened. If he disagree, he disregards. If he agrees, so let me just appeal to the Ombudsman, suspend also the NBI director because he is more a suspect than General Mao dito. We do not want to set a bad example in the independent investigation, and we do not want to put the Senate in harm's way.